France Mudavadi. Cette présentation se fera avec le délégué à la francophonie au partenariat.
The theme of the summit is Africa Forward, Africa-France Partnership for Innovation and Growth. Now, I deliberately wanted to say something about the theme. It says Africa Forward, not Africa backwards. Africa Forward. So, what do we anticipate? We want to be able to see how we can collectively have a conversation about the future of Africa, about the future of France, and the partnership of France and Africa going forward, and not looking backwards. So I think this context is absolutely essential for us to prepare appropriately as we look forward to the summit. The commitment to host the summit was made during a high-level meeting between Kenya's President William Ruto and President Emmanuel Macron of France during the 79th session of UNGA in 2024 in New York. Accordingly, the two heads of state and government issued a joint communique on 24th September 2025 on the sidelines of the 80th session of the UNGA, reaffirming the convening of this summit. So basically, some thought and some prior consultation was undertaken. And for us, as Kenya, we really feel honored to be the first non-French speaking country to be participating in this forum. A lot of the nations represented here have had this forum held in their countries at different times. So this is the first for us. And therefore we wish to make the very best out of it and make it a success. But your input, your experience is going to be very valuable in this interaction.
This path on which we have started, we must pursue it because it rests upon solid basis with the aim of drawing prospects for the future of the partnership between France, Europe, and the African continent. We will therefore have, as you know, Excellencies, because you are here this year in the month of May, the Africa Forward Summit, Partnerships between Africa and France for Innovation and Growth. That is the complete title, but we'll just refer to it as Africa Forward. Will be held on the 11th or 12th of May in Nairobi. This will be a very important moment, other than the fact that it is symbolically very important of this kind of summit, because this will allow embodying the reinvention of our relationship with African countries. And when we talk about the relationship which is different with each country of the continent, but it will also allow us to showcase this diversification with the organization of this summit with our Kenyan friends in Nairobi, and we'd like to thank you for this. It's also an important moment because it will be the first summit in this format since the Bamako summit. As you will remember, it was in January 2017, and I know that many of you had shared the desire to renew with Africa-France summits.